You guys, so here is your sneak peek at Happily Ever After. I just finished putting her all together. So the fairy tale can continue with the new owners who hopefully will be buying this shortly after we put it on the market. Isn't this just so sweet down here? We've got plenty of space down here for entertaining, for parking, whatever you need. And you've got this awesome outdoor shower. And look at this. You've got this super low maintenance backyard that would be perfect for, guess what? Yep, that's right. A nice size pool. Yes. A pool would fit perfectly back here. Come down from the screened-in porch on the side of the yard, down to the back, and enjoy this backyard or enjoy the future pool that you can install. And guess what? I've got an incredible pool company that can hook you up if you want a pool. But look at this. These folks maintained this home so beautifully. And I cannot wait to get it on the market. Look at their little herb garden going on over here. And they've got this swing. Isn't this awesome? Look. Fire pit. Just relaxing here underneath the house. So over here they have blueberry bushes. And you know what? The neighbors on this street are so phenomenal. As I was preparing this house to hit the market, you know what? Multiple people came over, introduced themselves. They're so sweet. These sellers told me how incredible their neighbors were. And the saddest part about leaving this house was leaving the people on this street. They just love, love, love Northeast 24th Street so much. And everyone around them. You have a lot of primary residents over here. You also have some people that this is their second home. So just a lot of community around Northeast 24th Street here on Oak Island. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and let's take a peek at what's happening at this amazing home. Look at the pretty flowers. Oh, they love to garden. So pretty. Look at that scene. Oh, great. This home can come fully furnished and you're gonna love it. So look at this beautiful red door. I love it. You got the shake siding there to give it a little bit of dimension. Look at this screened porch right here. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go see inside. So you come on inside and look at this gorgeous open space. Isn't this just so pretty? You've got this covered front porch. Out front, just look how pretty that scene is with the red door and the flag. Oh my gosh. It's such a large living room. Look how big that couch is and how this room just accommodates it. So much seating in this living room. As I mentioned, this home can come fully furnished. Isn't it great? I still need to put some artwork up, but I could not wait to get this video done. It's been a couple days of hard work getting it all put together. Used a little bit of what the sellers have and a little bit of what I brought in to make all this come together. Still need to get some stools for the island, but maybe that's something you can choose, the stools that you like. Love the plenty big dining room. And look at this awesome kitchen. You've got the peninsula coming out. Your refrigerator is gonna stay. You have everything you need in this darling kitchen. Love it. Isn't it great? Look at all the space, the vaulted ceilings in the living room, the board and batten trim accents right here. Love these wood floors. You don't see these very often anymore. They're so rich and comfy. Just so much space. Let's dive out into this screened-in porch on the side here. So you come on out to this beautiful deck, and you've got this long screened-in porch on the side of the house here. Isn't this great? Look at these pretty red chairs. Aren't these awesome? These are expensive, you guys. These come with the home. If you don't want them, guess what? I will take them. I will gladly take these Adirondack chairs. Adirondack. Which way do you say it? I have to look at it spelled out. And then over here, you also have this grilling deck. Isn't that great? So lots and lots of porch. 2 covered porches and 1 grilling deck, which is fantastic. Okay, back inside, we're gonna head over to the primary suite. Oop, let me get this pantry. I forgot about the pantry. We've got this pantry right here. And then you come on down this hallway into the primary suite, you guys. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? So spacious. Plenty of room in this bedroom. You've got that barn door that leads into the primary bath. Let's check out these closets first. You've got this great size closet, plenty big. That's a huge walk-in closet for the island. You got another closet over here for hanging. And then now let's check out the primary bath. You've got the spacious double sink vanity, toilets over there. You've got this great tile shower with a bench through a frameless shower door. Here's your double sink vanity, tile floor in here, granite countertops. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the house. Through here, you've got the laundry through these doors. Nice laundry closet. And then back through the living room. You've got the split floor plan where the bedrooms are on the other side of the house. We'll dive into this sweet bedroom right here. Isn't it so pretty? Lots of space in here. Plenty of room for guests. You can make this into an office as well. Good size closet. Over here, you've got your secondary bath. Shower tub combination with tile floor. Really pretty. And then you have your third bedroom. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. I love it so much. So pretty. You've got your storm shutters built in, and they give the exterior a nice look. They're sort of like Bahama shutters, but they're super functional during storms. All you have to do is close them during hurricanes and your window is protected. Let's take a look at the closet in this space. Good sized closet for a secondary bedroom. What do you think, guys? I am loving this house. It's gonna hit the market here in the next day or two. And I can't wait to have an open house and start showing this beautiful happily ever after off. Yes. Let me know what you think. Call me if you want to schedule a showing. I would love, love, love to show you this darling house. I'm Jessica Wainwright, 910-518-JESS, 5377. Talk to you soon. Bye.